restrictions on physical distancing are lifting, but are you, in the hospitals right now, are you all noticing a difference? Are you all noticing less patients, less deaths?
Well, when we first started, just before the COVID crisis, of course we had no COVID patients, and as soon as we saw it coming and getting worse, we stopped doing elective surgeries, we stopped having patients come in unless they absolutely needed to. So of course the number of patients we saw at the hospital and all the clinics go way down to under 50% of usual, and some practices just shut up and just shut their door, and that was it. And in the meantime, we've been maintaining contact with our patients through telemedicine by and large, and it's been very, very effective. And so that's what happened here. In the peak of the crisis, over half of the patients in the hospital were COVID positive, and our intensive care unit, which it was about 4 times the normal number of patients on ventilators in it at the peak of the crisis. Right now, we're still very busy with COVID patients. It's not going away. It has gone down. We're about half of what we were at the peak. But instead of the crisis going away, it's just, I'm sorry, not the crisis. Instead of the disease going away, the disease continues just at a lower level. And so every day we come in and we look, and one day it's down by a couple patients and one day it's up by a couple patients, but it's leveling off, but not going away.